e-learning course and you're wondering whether to incorporate avatars in it or not. Is it too cheesy, too difficult? Is it extraneous to the core content? Is it even helpful? My friends, I am in the avatars camp, and let me explain why. There are quite a few benefits to using avatars, especially in e-learning. First and foremost, avatars can reflect the learner persona. They make the learning experience more personalized, more relatable. This can significantly enhance engagement and motivation. Avatars also bring an element of social learning into the digital space, They simulate interactions and conversations. They help learners feel more connected and more supported. Moreover, avatars are only one of the many tools we have to elevate the e-learning experience, but I feel like they are the most underutilized or ineffectively used tool. When implemented well, avatars can make e-learning more dynamic, more interactive. Think about it this way. Can you imagine a story without characters? It would be pretty dull, right? It will barely be a story. Similarly, avatars bring stories to life in e-learning by adding a human element to the content. Finally, avatars have the unique ability to speak directly to the learner. They can create a conversational atmosphere rather than just delivering information. This approach makes the learning experience feel more engaging and less like a traditional lecture, fostering better understanding and retention.